It's all because of a stranger I met when I was 15. When I was 15, I ran away from home because I was mad at my parents for putting my dog down without talking to me about it first. My first day on the streets, I hopped onto the bus and rode it as far as it would go, and when it reached the end of the line, I rode it all the way back again while formulating a plan of how to live without my parents. At some point during the bus ride, a girl came on and sat in the row right behind me. I didn't pay much attention to her at first as I was busy writing my life plan on a napkin, but a few minutes later she got up and came up to me. She was curious as to what I was writing, and after I told her, she chuckled and started opening up to me about her home life. Her name was Amanda. She was 17 and a wonderful person. She told me she was getting off at the last stop, and we had an amazing hour together riding to the stop. When the last stop did come, we both knew we probably wouldn't see each other ever again. As we got to the end of the sidewalk, which split in two different directions, she went right and I went left. Before saying goodbye, she turned to me and asked me a question that forever changed me. Tell me something you have done or want to do that you think I should also do. It can be anything, as challenging